Good morning. I was getting my CMMG Banshee 200 in 40 cal ready to go out to some target shooting with my son, and I decided to give it a quick wipe down and oil. And to my dismay and surprise, I heard some rattling when I was cleaning the bolt carrier. Check this out. And I was like, what in the world is that rattling noise? I've never seen this happen on a bolt carrier. I thought these nuts or bolts were supposed to be staked. Look at this. I have no idea. I see the marks there from where they were supposed to be staked down. But apparently, that's no bueno. So the question is, should I try tightening them down myself? Or should I just reach out to CMMG and send the bolt back so they can refurbish it or tighten it down properly? Pretty disappointed. I was gonna take it out, but look at this. What do you guys think? Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna take it out. I'm just gonna email CMMG and see what they want me to do, because obviously this is not good. I don't even know if I should send the whole weapon out. I did notice too that there was a little bit of a, let's see if I could see it here, inside of the star chamber, whatever you want to call it, where it looks like something was chipped in there. But anyways, I'll take a look, take some pictures and see what happens. But this right here, totally no bueno. All right, I'll reach out to him and see what they tell me. I guess we're not taking this bad boy out today. Like I said, I could tighten it down, but it's gonna probably come loose again. Have a good one.